Welcome to the Afloat Space Saver platform setup. To start, we are going to lay out the rails in the correct position and orientation. The two end rails will be laying on the north and south side, while the two side rails will lay on the west and east side. Once completed, begin to attach the end rails to the side rails until all four corners are connected. Reassure that the support rails are facing inward. Once all the rails are connected, insert the four short legs into the rail slots firmly. The legs will fully set once weight from the water is applied. Once all four legs are inserted, attach the middle slat that has the additional support rail. Attach the slat by inserting the end tabs into the slots on the inside of the side rails. Pinch in the snap on the tabs to lock it into place. Attach the two plain slats on either side of the middle slat the same way. Attach the last two outer slats with the leg slots. Make sure the leg slots are both pointing outward towards the end rails. Once all the slats have been placed, insert the final long legs into the slots. If you would like to add an optional headboard, you will need to attach the headboard brackets. Position Space Saver bed frame exactly where you want it, making sure to leave a few inches of space between the head of the bed and the wall. As a warning, once you add water, it will not be possible to move your bed. Once you have your Space Saver positioned where you want it, you need to place your Space Saver foundation. Paying close attention to the labels, lay the two-piece foundation on the bed frame with the insulation facing down. Slide the insulation down past the bed frame's horizontal slats to where the bottom decking makes contact. Make sure that the covered edges of the decking rest inside of the metal railing, as this will prevent the deck from sliding. Once the foundation is placed, continue the installation of your waterbed by following the main instruction manual or by watching the main instruction video.